What's up guys, welcome to the Fomo Factory. As you may know, we are in the middle of doing a big giveaway on this channel. So if you have not subscribed to the channel and you want to win this crypto giveaway, feel free to subscribe, it's definitely not too late. What we are doing is I'm buying into crypto portfolios with coins that are called by famous YouTubers like Biyboy, Crypto Banter, Becker, but also the Fomo Factory community, the Fomo fam. And once Bitcoin hits $100,000, I'm gonna give away the crypto portfolio with the highest returns. Now I'm putting in a total of around $3,000 in every portfolio. So if we do get a portfolio that 100x's in the next bull run, it's actually a 300,000 portfolio that we are going to give away. And I'm very excited to update you with every step I make. And today we're gonna update the portfolio with some new altcoins, because some altcoins have gone away. And some altcoins, they stayed, but some they died in the meantime. That's why it's good to dollar cost, right? So we are going to update that a little bit. I want to just, have you there with every step on the way. So with all that being said, let me switch up my cam because I don't have my StreamYard right away, right here. Bam! Subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification, and it would help me a lot if you take the small effort just to like the video. It pushes it into YouTube's algorithm a lot. So I will really appreciate that. Now, I want to dive into these crypto portfolios, and I want to dive into the comments under the video that I made about this challenge the last time, because I asked what coins do you want me to check out? And you guys gave some coins, so I've all written them down right here. So we're going to go over it, and I'm not going to do full research in this video. So for the people that feel like, dude, you're not doing good research. No, I cannot do research on 18 coins, of course, in a video of not even 20 minutes or so. But I want to filter it out already, because some coins might already be in some portfolios, or some really suck, or some really look good. So let's take a look at that. So this is the portfolio right here. These are the portfolios right here. And let me very quickly update you about this. This is Becker, his portfolio, and you don't see big amounts yet, right? Because I don't feel like it's for every altcoin the best time to dollar cost into it. For example, I love Altora, but it's now 21 cents. But we already added Altora months ago, right? But if you look at where Altora came from, especially over the whole year, it's basically still in a downward trend. So in my opinion, it's for this altcoin maybe not the right time yet to buy it. Therefore, I'm just really want to wait to see what they are going to do. And I made the watch list right here as well. So if you look at Altora, let me check. Yeah, daily. If you look at my target for Altora, you'll or why do I say Altura? It's Ultra. Sorry, fucking stupid. Ultra. God damn, why do I keep saying this? Should I do this over? No. You just take Altura. No, but Ultra UOS. You'll see that I made, what I think would be a good entry point, and overall, I do think that anywhere in this range, which is quite a big range, of course, between 28 and 17 cents, for the long term is a good play. But if you look at it like this, we have the sideways movements where you buy, we have the upwards trend where you make money, we have the kind of the distribution phase where it goes sideways, where you sell, we have the downtrend, and in a new accumulation area, that's where you want to buy. So overall, it's good to buy. So maybe now that it's getting lower and lower right here, I am going to buy some, right? Because also what you do not want to do in crypto is set your buy target for here, for example, and find out that it's going there and then up, that you missed it for a couple of dollars, right? Like, that's stupid. I also hope that these videos are a little educational, because it's also with every video I'm trying to show you how I approach it, how I do my research, how I look at these kind of things, right? So that you know for yourself maybe as well, like that you can teach from this. But overall, Altora, oh shit man, Ultra, I don't know why I keep saying that. Overall, Ultra, it is still in a downwards trend. It got rejected by the bull market support band. It is now again underneath the 50 daily moving average, also not looking good. Didn't break this diagonal downwards trend, which a lot of altcoins did do. So yeah, overall, I don't know. I think that once the weekly stochastic RSI is really in the oversold territory, that's where I step in, right? So these are the kind of things that I'm looking at when I'm looking at buying these altcoins. But we have D-Race, Volkerforge, Seedify, Altora, Superverse, Kusama, AdShares, which is one I really want to replace with something else, Gala, and Ultra. Cool. But we are now in 15% profit on Alex's portfolio. Then we have Crypto Banter's portfolio, where we are now 40% in profit. So Crypto Banter is doing a lot better, right? And there are more here, right? Overall, I want to have 10 coins in every portfolio, but it's also just my watch list. As you see, I don't have... Well, from AVAX to everything here, I don't have it. I'm waiting for the right time to buy some. And again, AVAX is a very good example. If you look at AVAX, like, yeah, I could have bought it a couple of weeks ago, but then I bought it at $20, $21, $22. It's now sitting at 16, right? And what I like, I might buy some AVAX right now because it actually perfectly hit my line right here, and it's on the bull market support band. And as you can see, we have support here. We have a little resistance here, but we have lots of support here. We have lots of support here. And now again, we have support. So it's not impossible that we just break it, but it's also very likely that we hold this as support before we go up. So AVAX looks like a good buy to me at this moment to at least dollar cost into it, right? If you're not going to dollar cost here, then what are you waiting? Then you're going to be like Capo. Then you're going to be like, yeah, no, but I want to buy it here. And what if it never gets there? Then you miss out and you gotta wait another 4 years, right? Like, that's not what I want to do in this crypto game. I rather have some temporary losses and I don't miss out, right? Then I completely miss out and maybe buy here. That's stupid, right? But you do want to, you know, buy as close to the bottom as you think is possible. Overall, the Crypto Banter portfolio, Wesder, I'm gonna keep it in. I think I'm going to keep Near in. I think I'm going to keep Stargate in. Theta, I'm going to keep it. Remark, I'm going to keep it. So I think someone already gave Remark. So we already have that in the Banter portfolio, right? So I'm not going to add that to the community portfolio. I want all different coins. Well, that's the Crypto Banter portfolio. Then we have the BitBoy portfolio. And guys, by the way, what I really would appreciate is... If you like this, if you feel like, yo, this is pretty good content, right? I don't have a lot of subs yet, and it's not growing because it's a bear market. Like YouTubers don't, you know, if you look at you know, this is the social risk, right? The red line is coming down. So people are not subscribing to YouTuber shit anymore. So also not to mine. So if you feel like, yo, I got some friends in crypto or know some people, please feel free to, you know, share this video with them so they can win as well. BitBoy's portfolio is doing okay, 15%. I mean, BitBoy only has high caps, right? And it's doing just as well as Alex Becker's portfolio, which I thought would do a lot better, to be honest. So, yeah, BitBoy is doing okay. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we got our 10 coins already. I don't think I'm going to change this. His calls are not that, you know, spectacular or anything. It's a pretty safe portfolio. It won't wreck you really hard, but it won't make you a lot of gains. But, you know, I wanted to have something in this challenge as well. Like, okay, we can degen with every portfolio, but I want to see how a safe portfolio would perform in the bull market as well. But then the juice comes. We have the community portfolio. And if we look at that one, we are up 52%. So what's quite funny and what I already would like to say to you guys is you rock. Because, like I said in the last video, all these YouTubers... Look, you're watching this, so you're watching these YouTubers, right? You feel like, I want someone to tell me what to buy, maybe, or I want someone to give me some information. Overall, you are better than them. Like, we have Alex Becker, everybody loves him, right? We have Crypto Banter, the good guys, smart guys. We have BitBoy, biggest platform. But overall, you guys are winning. It's crazy. It's crazy. So we sometimes just don't need these guys, right? But you guys are doing better. Overall, this portfolio is doing pretty well. Engine Starter up a lot. RFox up a lot. Singularity Net up a lot. Like a lot of things are up a lot. Alliance Block is a project. It got hacked. Therefore, I want to replace that. Bought it at 6 cents and at 4 cents. Sold it at 7 cents. But it's now sitting at 0.001 cents. So if we would have kept it, money was gone. Completely gone. We would have nothing left. Right? So Alliance Block, yeah, that's going away, of course. Right? I think, like I said, I want to get rid of Pancake Swap as well. Why? Because this is our portfolio. It should be a degen. It was my call, by the way. It should be a degen portfolio. Like Pancake Swap hasn't moved yet, and I definitely think that Cake can do a 10x in the next bull run. But I think there are just better plays that can give us more returns than Cake, because I also don't really see the utility of Cake, to be honest. All right, so I think we have to replace that one. I think Defina stays, RFox stays, Nervous Network stays, Engine stays. Maybe we have to replace Cadena as well. I just don't really, it's now down as well quite a lot. If you look at that, like everything is up right now, right? Why isn't Cadena, why is it down? Why is it lagging right now? If something is lagging in a crypto relief rally, then why should it do well in a bull run, right? And I just don't really, I think there's too much hype for that project compared to what they are actually doing. Sorry for the people that really love the project, but I don't see it. So you guys gave some calls. Here they are. So please have a look at SLP and Rose. All right, let's take a look at those. And I will try to keep it a little short though, but I always try. So SLP, Smooth Love Potion. I can already tell you, I'm not gonna buy this for the portfolio. Why? This is the rewarding token for the Axie Infinity platform. And these are purely Pansonomics. I said that in another video, by the way, as well, that I'm going to release or just released. These are these older gaming coins that if you use a platform, you get rewarded with this token, then you can sell this token. So you take your money, unlimited supply. I will never, ever, ever, ever buy even $1 of this. So if I have it in this list right here, yeah, that's going away. Not do that. Rose, yeah, there was a battle when we set up the portfolio going on between Rose and another layer 1. I don't know which one it was. Do we still have that one? I don't even think so. Rose, I don't know. The thing with Rose is that I never hear a project coming out where people said like, oh, it's built on Oasis, on Rose. And I feel like, but that's the job. They are a layer 1, right? And if they don't function as a layer 1 because projects are not building on it, then why is it interesting? What do they provide then? Yeah, I just don't see it. So it's a no for me. You make the calls, but I can just, only be the judge. So, yeah. We have, let me get it out of the way. Ultra. Ultra is already in Alex's portfolio, so that's not what we are going to do. Otherwise, it's double. Pulse at lunch. A bit sad that I don't have hacks in my portfolio because of the Pulse lunch. Okay, you're gonna hate me for this, but I'm gonna say it anyway. I don't like hacks. I don't like Richard Hart at first, and that should not be a reason why I don't want to buy hacks though. But I don't like him. He's weird. These people that think that they are so smart, they will, I don't know, they will face these consequences sooner or later. I just don't like his personality, and if I want to like a project, I have to like the vision of the team. And in this case, I feel like Richard Hart, yeah, you did something great with hacks so far, but it's not sustainable, and you are fucking weird, so I'm not gonna buy your project. And other than that, hacks, I don't know, bro. Hacks is not a project that I will ever buy into. If you go to the website of Hacks, the first thing you see, it gives you 38% returns. So they advertise with money. I don't like that, because they don't have a utility. It's a, sorry for saying this, but it's a Ponzi. And it doesn't mean that it can sustain, but you stake your hacks, you get more hacks because other people stake hacks because they get more hacks from the people that stake hacks after them. And you know what I'm saying? That's exactly the definition of a Ponzi. And you could have really good Ponzi's that can last for a long time and make a lot of people a lot of money. So don't get me wrong. And I'm not saying it's a scam, but at the end of the day, something like that is not sustainable. I want to buy in a project because it has a good utility. Hacks does nothing. The only thing that Hacks really has going on is their community. Other than that, it sucks. Sorry for that. Sorry. And Pulse, yeah, a lot of hype about that. But I don't personally trust a project that is releasing Pulse chain like it's a layer one. They come from a Ponzi and then want to build one of the most difficult things in crypto, which is a layer one. So you start with the easiest and you go to the hardest. I don't know if they're capable of doing that. So I don't have a lot of faith in Pulse chain myself, to be completely honest. I would, if I could, I don't know how it works, throw little money into it just because of the hype and the community, because I respect the community a lot, but I don't just like the project. So no, it's a no for me to put that in the portfolio. I don't have it here anyway. But I won't do that, to be honest. I would look up Redondo. Okay, let me just go off of this list really quick. Kusama is already in Alex Becker's portfolio, so that's going to go. Remark, I see, is also in Crypto Banter's portfolio. Magic is also there, so that's got to go as well. So we have a couple left. So let me really quick and not research these projects, but let me really quick go through them to see, like, can I already see a big reason why it could be a yes or a very big reason why it's already a no? And then I'll make a follow-up video where we actually replace the coins and then also gonna buy them. Flux. I don't know what's going on with Flux lately. I haven't really paid attention to it, to be honest. I don't know much about it. Big community as well, though. And what I see right here is it went from 4 cents or 40 to 90. Yeah, it kind of moved like everything did, basically. So not special there, but really a good, it's good. WordPress, runs on Flux Cloud. That's a big partnership. That's big. That's nice. I kind of believe that with these partnerships, because they have a lot of big partnerships, and I believe that with these partnerships that they have, they can really be one of the bigger projects in the future. Definitely. I do feel like if I look at the price chart, I think there's a lot of upside in the project if you first buy at the downside. And it's too high for me at the moment. It came from nothing and it's already a lot higher. So risk reward at the moment, price wise, for me is not worth it yet. But I will keep it in there because that could change. LCX, we had it before, and very democratically we deleted it. So let me take a look at that. Because I don't know what happened to the project. Let me take a look. Yeah, nothing really changed. It first came down a lot, then it went up back up again. We didn't really miss anything right here in the meantime, though. It did have a big ass price pump, really big ass price pump, insane, really good, really good. So there is something going on with LCX. Yeah, so I'm gonna definitely keep that on the list as well. Why? Let me take a look at that. What the fuck is this? That's what I like. Like purely the market cap. Look, I mean, you guys have to understand that usually when you invest in crypto, you want to give these calls like LCX or whatever we just saw, like, you know, that have quite some upside, but are not that high risk, right? Because otherwise you can really lose your money. You don't want to degen into your own portfolio like crazy. In this case, it's my money, but it's your money once it 100x's. So what I mean is, even if we go with high risk, high reward projects, the high risk is for me and the high reward is for you, basically. So there's no need for you to give really safe high cap projects. Because there you don't lose if it goes to shit, right? You can win one of the other 3 portfolios as well. But yeah, that being said, this is quite new, I think, isn't it? Yeah, it's quite new. What is this? I don't know this. You guys always have interesting calls. I like that. Therefore, I like this community because you are also just smart, you know, smart investors. Some, no offense, but some YouTubers really have a stupid audience, right? And they tell you something and everybody buys it. So you guys come with some good stuff. Wait, what is this? Wait, let me go back. I totally missed what was going on. We have quilabs.com. Okay, cool. So you go to the website. And I see nothing. Let's go. And I still see nothing. I have to connect my wallet to stake. But what is it? This is weird. Okay, I don't know about this project. All I know is that, sorry, but if a developer is watching, I don't know, probably not, but your website is that's the advertisement of your project, right? If I go to the website, I want to know what is it. And if I go to the website and I only see, yo, connect your wallet. Why? Why? To what? What's the reason for me to do that? Stupid. You're missing out on investors that way. So I don't like it. It's only on PancakeSwap, no volume. Looks really unprofessional to me, if I'm honest. AI-powered chat-based smart assistant. I don't like it for the reasons that I just gave. Ridotto, gaming project, I thought. I think it was a gaming project. Let me take a look. Lottery, NFT, what? All in one app. Yeah, play, build, run the infrastructure, earn. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, this is interesting. Not a lot of volume, but it could be worse. Ridotto, well, what I usually also do, my way of researching, I'm following a lot of big profiles on Twitter. And then if I go to such a project, I can see, like, are they followed by these people? And they don't have, like, these big followers, so they don't have the important eyes on them or so. So I don't know about that. What I also kind of notice is that they do have almost 80,000 followers, but if they, even put out a tweet where you can win 10K, it gets basically no interaction. So I don't know. The ratio between the amount of likes that they get and the followers is really bad. They don't have a lot of volume going on, no big following for them. They first need to work on the marketing before. This is too high risk. This is a project that could easily die in this market. Sol, Phantasma, blockchain gaming. I had it in my personal portfolio. Kind of gave up on it, to be honest, because I don't know. It's not like. I think there are better places. They have the tokenomics are on point. Like they have everything in circulation, right? So that's what I always liked about the project. You can buy it on KuCoin or wherever. Quite some volume. It's getting more low and low cap. That's really good because it came from a $400 million market cap and it's now sitting at 25 million. So this is actually 15 times from its all-time high. I don't know if I don't see any adoption really. I don't see what they are really doing, to be honest. And you can build your project on it. Smart NFTs, gaming, the apps, but I never heard of a big project that they say like it's linked to Phantasma, to be honest. So I wonder if they are going to pull that off. Also because there are coming a lot of projects to the space that do this with crypto gaming that really have the adoption. So I think this is a project that is really good, but could be replaced with another project that can do it better. That's my feeling. I don't know what it's based on exactly. I will leave it for now, though. Osmosis, really a little quicker because this is already taking too long again. I will make sure to put timestamps in, though. Osmosis, yeah, I know about the project, and I think this is a really good long-term hold, though. I wonder how much upside it has with the current market cap already. But I think you can't really go wrong with Osmosis, to be honest. It saw a part of the bull run where it went from $1 to like $10. And I don't know, it's not a really big gain because if you look how it went from, or $11, but it also went from $11 back to, 60 cents. So in a full cycle, it saw more downside than upside. But it's also because it didn't witness the full bull run yet. So I'm kind of curious how it will do in the next bull run, to be honest. And yeah, like I said, it's not a 100x coin. But it is a coin that will probably do well. So, yeah, if you ask me, like, should I have this in my own portfolio? Yeah, then I will probably say yes. If we put it in this community portfolio to really pull off 100x, I don't know if this is something we should add to it, but it's not a no. Did I get that wrong? Is it Virtua or something like that? Someone gave a lot of calls. There was one person that really, here we go. You did it. Virtua. Let me take a look at that. Virtua. It's not there. It's not there. Sorry. DBI, don't buy Inu. Yeah, that's one that I came up with myself, and this is a meme coin that I think has a lot of upside. It just saw a pretty big pump though. And I don't know if you should buy. I bought it personally. I bought it here, and it saw a massive pump. It almost 10x. But I don't want to buy into that. Right? It's sitting like at its all-time high, basically. If you look at this chart, it's basically at its all-time high. So I would add this if it will come down. Why would I add this? Purely because I have never seen a meme coin that is going so viral without already being high cap. This dude makes these viral videos with CZ in it and all that kind of stuff. A lot of people are following him, right? But also CZ follows him on Twitter. And I don't know, this is a potential low cap meme coin that could get a Binance listing. Maybe, I don't know, that's pure speculation. But that could really be something big. I don't see this going to die though. This has my, I'm gonna put an X behind it because this is really something that I feel like, yeah, this may be a good one. But I'm gonna leave it up to you guys. So please respond. Fair, all gaming, also gaming. I know this one. A little bit, at least. And take your special breed, blah, blah, blah. Blood Realms. So are these games already out? I don't know. Road. Map. It's one word. You don't have to put a space in there, guys. Sorry. It's just stupid if they can spell that correctly. Who's the team then? Oh, there you go. Okay. Meet the team. If I click it, it takes me back to the website. Website is really unprofessional. I mean, you see a name and what they do, but you don't see any experience, no links. If you click it, it takes you back to the website here. Very amateuristic, to be honest. Tokenomics, 16 million out of these 65 million. 4 times token vesting to go. I have to take a look at that though, but it's not what I like to see. KuCoin Gate, okay, that's all right. They have a lot of volume, that's good. So that's nice. Twitter, let me take a look. They're followed by Engine Starter, this guy, pretty funny YouTuber, and Crypto Meta, whatever the fuck that is. Yeah, there are some things that I like, and there are some things that I don't like. I'll leave it up to you guys. Let me know what you want. Avegachi, sounds like gaming or anything like that. Let me take a look. It's quite high cap. I don't know this one. Good tokenomics. High volume. Is it Binance listed or... Oh, big volume. Binance volume. All right. It's not far from its all-time high, though. Yeah, look. This is a project. It went through this whole bear market and it didn't really came down that much. If you were in this token the whole time, then you are off pretty good. On the other hand, I don't know, like how did it really pump as well? 90 cents, 160. Yeah, it didn't really pump as much though, as well though. So it's a pretty good stable coin. But will it really? Is it a mover? It's an open source community owned NFT gaming protocol enabling true asset ownership for gamers. Okay. Enabling true asset ownership for gamers. But isn't that what NFTs are doing in the first place? What's this project? What are they adding to it? Yeah, more like an all-in-one NFT. It's kind of like Altura or something like that. It's look pretty. I like how it looks though. It's really, gaming style. Okay. Yeah. Meh. I don't know. Two to go, and I'm gonna wrap it up. Biko or whatever. Oh, sorry. Biko. Economy. Oh shit. Yeah. Quite high cap already, guys. $14 to 40 cents. Whoa, this thing got wrecked as fuck. It came down like 30 times the market cap from 400 to 200. So the price came down 30 times, but the market cap came down 2 times. That says something about how hard these tokens are getting vested right now. So, sorry for putting it like this, but everybody buying right now didn't do their research, right? Because this token really needs to rise a lot in market cap, a lot, for you to play even or not be in a loss. This is really easy losing money. And I would definitely check out how this token vesting is going before buying this. The Russians are here. I'm not interested in this, to be honest, just because of the token vesting. I don't know. Big partners though. Yeah, fuck man. Let me know. 1 more to go. Totem. Totem, right? Yeah, totem. Well, the thing is, December 21, that's where we are here with my cursor. That's exactly where the bear market started. This thing did its own, but it's like no volume, dead project. So nope, not gonna work, going away. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Guys, let me know. 3 of these should be in the portfolio. Let me know which one, or if you have another one, could also be. But let me know. We're gonna make the best out of it. And when I really think it's time to start aping into altcoins, I will definitely let you know. I'm buying into these portfolios, and we are going to freaking make it.